What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am working on the 2015 Jeep Patriot that I am going to change out the front rotor. This is the automatic 4-wheel drive. That being said guys, let's go ahead and get dirty. Alright, first of all, you gotta know how to jack up the car or raise up the car before you do the job. If you don't have an impact gun or impact wrench over there, you must loosen these bolts up before you raise up the car. In my case, I got one, so I'm going to do what I'm going to do. You need a 19mm socket to remove the nut. After that, and what you're going to do right now is to remove this nut right here and then this one right here, and the caliper should pop out, and then hang it out somewhere that way it wouldn't put no pressure on this fluid cable right here. And after that, you're going to use a 18mm right on this one, and there's another one right here. So it's going to be like that. That's a 18mm right here, but on this one right here it is the 40mm right here. So after that, and you can remove this one over here, those two over here, and the caliper bracket, it should come out, and then you can hammer the rotor with a rubber hammer, ledge hammer, whichever you got it in your hand. That if you're not going to reuse the rotor, but if not, you're going to use a rubber hammer. In this case, I'm going to put this video on time lapse, that way you can see every movement I'm going to do. Now it's everything out of place. That's how it look like. And then now you can slide the new one back on, and then of course the caliper, the bracket, and then you brake caliper. This is the kit I'm using today. I'm using the Duralast rotor and then a brake pads. This is the rotor part number right here. It is the 43153. And the brake pads I used today, it is the D866. The reason the customer got this one today because it is a lifetime warranty, and then the whole kit it come out at $197 with 2 brake rotor and brake pads and the brake cleaner and brake fluid. As you can see, it's right here. So it is a good kit over here. So now before you install the new one, make sure you clean up and make sure you put in some kind of plastic like this. That way you don't kill the crest or whatever. As you can see, there's a lot of grease over there, and that must come out before you install this brake. If not, it's not going to be good. So this is a good idea. You're supposed to do this before you install the new one. Alright, that should be good. Now let's go ahead and put the new one back on. Okay guys, all thing left to do is to put the wheel back on right there, and it's good to go.
I just love the feeling of I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live.
Alright guys, so that's how you do it on this one. I hope you learned something or you got some idea from how you do your own. So I hope this is helpful. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, whatever you like to do. You are welcome to the family. Here I am here. Until next video, bye for now. Ciao. Which this is the for is it automatic 4-wheel drive.